Granada might be most famous for its Muslim-built temple in Fort Alhambra, but there's way more to this city. Follow us while we show you a little bit. Day one of it. 2 days in Granada. Only a day and a half in Granada. First things first, we started our day in search of the best breakfast and chocolate con churros we could find.
I said, put it in your mouth.
Really hot. It's like a little bread pocket.
Oh my god, that's way too hot.
Told you. Ooh. Oh, you don't want to believe me?
Ooh. Oh yeah.
After our amazing breakfast and the most decadent chocolate and churros that I'm pretty sure exist in the entire world, it was time to explore the city. We hiked to the royal Monastery of Saint Jerome. This Renaissance-style church, famous for its architecture, was the first in the world consecrated to the Immaculate Conception of Mary. Imagine living in this city.
Really crazy.
In ancient times, you would have to be really in shape. This was not made for the modern American. In 1492, Columbus sailed the ocean blue, right? Well, something else amazing happened in 1492. On January 2nd, Emir Muhammad XII surrendered total and complete control of the Emirate of Granada to the Spanish, and now leaving a lasting Islamic and Muslim influence to all the architecture throughout the city. A really great place to experience the Arabic and African influence is in the artisan market, known as Alcaiceria. The city streets are lined with vendors peddling Andalusian wares and apparel, which harken back to an older, simpler time. The long day of hiking brought us to enjoying our final tapas experience in Granada. No Spanish dining experience would be complete without at least losing yourself for one day in the world of tapas. And of course, vino. Tapas include a wide variety of different types of food, including croquetas de jamón, patatas brava, and even mini bacon burritos. You should know while dining through Spain that it is customary to leave about 5 to 10% of a gratuity of your total bill to your staff. Just note they do make a livable wage, but if you have a really good time, show them by tipping. And one more thing, do yourself and everyone around you a favor, at least try to start your interactions with people in Spanish. It will get you a lot further, a lot faster, and a lot more respect. Granada, with its Moorish influence and rich culture, completely captured our hearts. If you've enjoyed this video, help us keep this channel alive by liking, commenting, subscribing, and turning on notifications. And above all else, don't forget to show the world your venturability.